So Tiger Bites is a collaboration between the School of Health Studies, the Human Performance Center, and Memphis Athletics. I guess it got started a couple of months ago when we all sat down in a room and realized that there was something missing from what we were offering to our student athletes, and that was just ensuring that they understood how important nutrition was in their athletic performance, but also their overall health and well-being.
So this started with Coach Sean asking for his athletes to be able to jump higher and jump higher for longer, for example over a long period of time over a weekend. And so one of the key areas we saw an opportunity was within the nutrition work of the athletes and their understanding nutrition and how that can shape their performance and their athletic ability.
So with this pilot Tiger Bites program with the women's volleyball team, we have done a 6-week series, and for the first 5 weeks we met with the players every week, and we would have specific lessons that we were trying to convey to them at each of those sessions. So we talked about pre and post workout fueling, we talked about eating on the go, making healthy snack choices, and this final week the players are getting to put what they've learned into practice, and they're cooking on their own. And they've chosen recipes that sounded good to them, but also recipes that highlight key nutrients that will be beneficial in their athletic performance.
Audrey and I are making Mexican strip steak in a black bean salsa or salad with corn, peppers, shallots, and a bunch of yummy spices.
Why did you choose this recipe? What nutrients are highlighted? And how will this benefit my athletic performance? Those questions you will answer to the judges, and you will be scored on your justification.
So they were definitely, beginner level chefs, but now they actually know how to use knives, they actually understand what they're putting in their body, they know how to read nutrition labels, they actually know how to make healthy food taste good, and I think that's really important, especially because now they can tell their friends, other athletes that they hang out with about how what they've been eating has been impacting their performance.
So we collected data pre and post. We collected athletic data, so changes in their athletic performance, but also changes in their, interpretation of food and how they use food on a weekly basis. The initial results show a 4% decrease in body fat, a 6% increase in lean muscle mass, and a 4-inch increase in jump height. They're all averages across the group.
Well, I think it's been really neat to see the evolution, so to speak, and just in terms of preparing food and what works for the body in order to fuel it, to refuel after a workout. They're preparing dinner tonight, so I think really all over the board it's just been a great success story for the team because they've learned so much about each other, but then also about what they can do just to make an advantage or have an edge against an opponent or just to get into practice every day.
The whole goal was to teach the athletes to think of food as fuel, and so to think about what they put into their bodies as almost part of their training program, just like they would go to the gym. Taking that time off the court, off the field, and thinking about what I put into my body to make sure I'm ready for what's coming next.
These are skills that they're going to take with them for the rest of their lives. They're going to be able to feed themselves and their families well for the rest of their lives because of the things that they've learned in the Tiger Bites program.
Good job, volleyball.